Larson Electronics temporary power distribution system converts 480 volt AC current to single phase 120 volt AC and 208 volt AC at 60 Hz. This power distribution system provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480 volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. All components are mounted at a minimum height of 18 inches from the ground. This unit provides an effective power distribution system for operators performing plant turnarounds, maintenance, equipment installations, and any activities requiring an alternative to native power sources. This power distribution station includes 60 feet of SOOW line-in cable. A fused disconnect provides primary line-in protection and supplies primary power to the 30 kVA transformer. Secondary current is wired to a 120 or 208 volt single-phase 100 amp load center with a main breaker for circuit protection. 120 and 208 volt line out protection is provided by 4 20 amp single pole breakers and one 50 amp 2-pole breaker. Connection for 208 and 120 volt AC is through receptacles mounted on the side of the load center. Receptacles include 4 20 amp 120 volt GFCI waterproof duplex receptacles and one 50 amp 208 volt receptacle. The load center is rated NEMA 3R, the transformer is potted, and the entire system is built and certified to UL 1640 standards. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a powder-coated steel dolly cart style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.